Jack here, and I've got with me the CIVIVI Altus Pocket Folding Knife. This is a neat little knife from CIVIVI, and special thanks to them for sending this out for this video. All thoughts and opinions are my own. Comes in a very simple white box. Let's pop that open, and you'll see the nice little storage pouch that the knife comes in. We'll unzip that pouch, and inside is a few different things. You've got the knife itself. We'll come back to that. Two little stickers right there, some product use information, and a really nice microfiber cleaning cloth. The inside of this pouch is super nice and plush and soft, and you'll have no problem keeping your knife safe when not in use with this pouch. We'll set that aside, and here is the CIVIVI Altus. Now this is a 2.97-inch Nitro V steel blade with the silver bead blasting finish. It's a really nice matte silver design, and the finish is very consistent across the whole knife. The handle is a really nice G10 black handle, and if you notice, the frame here is a black steel with the steel there, and I like that it's a bit of a two-tone look. I like that the rest of the handle is black as well. We're going to go over all the dimensions, all the features of this knife, but just take a quick look at the other side there as well. There's your nice full-size deep carry pocket clip. The pocket clip is adjustable from the right-hand side and the left-hand side, but you do have to carry it tip upward like so. There is no way to mount it up at the top because of their nice ceramic bearing, which makes flipping this knife open so simple and easy. Thumb studs are there, and button here to release. You could flick it out with the button if you wanted to, and just pull it in nice and easy like so. Go ahead and do that one more time. Very simple and easy to flick open. Anytime I get a new knife, it usually takes me a few minutes of just playing with it to really get the technique down, but this one was super quick and easy, and I really like the beveled cuts here on the handle. It makes this a very comfortable and usable knife, and I have average sized hands, but plenty of room for this knife. At this point, I'm going to go over some of the technical specifications of the Altus. The overall length is 7.12 inches, with the width at 0.99 inches at the widest part. The overall height, including the clip, is at 0.75 inches, and the blade length itself, like I said before, is 2.97 inches from tip to the end of the blade. The closed length of the Altus is right at 4.15 inches, and the thickness of the blade comes in right at about 0.12 inches, and the handle thickness, not including the clip, is at 0.51 inches. The overall weight of this knife is 3.11 ounces, so it's not a light knife, but it's also not too heavy. I feel like it wears very nicely in my pocket. The deep carry clip is a really nice touch, and I like how this end is thinner than this end, which makes hiding it in your pocket all that much easier. For those of you who really like a thin knife, this probably is not the one for you. From what I've seen with CIVIVI's button lock knives, they do tend to be a little bit thicker, which has never bothered me, because I think anytime a knive's handle ends up thicker, you just ultimately get a better grip and a better feeling handle, and so I'm happy to take that trade-off. This thickness doesn't bother me. Now, like I said, the blade is a really nice Nitro V steel, and the hardness is rated at 59-61 HRC. The grind that this comes with factory is a flat grind, and I would say it's decently sharp to begin with. I definitely wouldn't want to run my finger along it, and I had no problem cutting through packing tape or boxes the first day I had this knife. One of my favorite things about these CIVIVI knives is the caged ceramic ball bearing that makes opening and closing these knives such a smooth and enjoyable experience. I have so much fun just playing and fidgeting with these knives. It's one of my favorite things about the CIVIVI Elementum 2, which I'm a big fan of, and now this Altus, which feels very similar in the hand, just with the thumb studs. It's a little bit of a different opening experience. But all things considered, I'm really happy with this CIVIVI Altus pocket folding knife. I'm a really big fan of the button lock design lately, and I like those thumb studs. Very quick and snappy and easy to open, and a very solid handle if you ask me. If you're in the market, I hope this video helped your purchase decision. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it.